An old man brought a puppy that no one bought. "This Jude is dying," a dog guy said. "Just take it free."
The old man paid the same price as the other puppies.
Recalling the dog guy, the old man thought he'd bury it well. The old man used to only check on life and death of the puppy. In a box, it did not drink a drop of water and never moved. One day, he opened the door thinking that it must have died. It was wiggling. A few days later, the puppy was sitting outside the box. The old man bursted into tears because it looked like himself. The old man talked to the puppy, no, to himself. It's the first time that both ever felt that way. They talked a lot, ran and played together. They became friends. The harvest time had come. The golden field danced. The old man decided to go on a trip to his friend's farm. He used to ask how they were doing and help them every year. The two went on a trip together. Exhausted, the two rested for a while by the stream. The old man saw his face reflected in the water. Every day, he burned himself. The puppy blotted off his face in the water. The two arrived at the friend's farm. Labor was tough and hard, but thankful. After a few days of harvest, the friends had a small party. And farewell. The two went back on their way. It was not the same as previous years, so Old Man decided to take a break for a while. Time had passed. The puppy woke up the old man, but he was deeply asleep. No way was there. The puppy climbed and fell the mountain. How many times and how long it's been? It's been a while. As soon as the old man woke up, he went crazy and got out of his mind and just cried. Only the seat where he lay was wet.